And now let's try slightly faster. Take your time when practicing this etude because the precision really can only be achieved at a slow tempo and very careful placement of the fingers. So precision really here is very, very important. So pay attention, pay extra attention to that. So don't try to go fast until you're really ready, until you feel like you have done all the work, and then you can try to go a little faster. It's labeled Allegro, so do your thing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.